Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to one of SellerPic's most innovative features. This powerful feature allows you to expand the boundaries of your existing product photos without needing to reshoot or manually edit them. The image extender function. Let's dive in. For this demonstration, I've already uploaded a photo of a handbag that's perfectly centered, but has very tight cropping. Once you upload your image, the canvas transforms into an infinite canvas format. You can easily drag any of the four edges of your canvas to extend it in whatever direction you need. Want more space on the left? Just drag the left edge. Need more room at the top? Simply pull the top edge up. You have complete control over how much you want to extend each side. The magic happens when you adjust the canvas. Our AI automatically generates seamless extensions that perfectly match your original background. No need to worry about creating realistic extensions or matching the original background. It all happens automatically and looks completely natural. The AI is smart enough to analyze your original image and generate extensions that perfectly match the existing background, whether it's a solid color, gradient, or even a textured surface. This makes expanding your product photos faster and more realistic than ever before. Let me show you another fantastic feature. On the right side of your screen, you'll find preset dimensions for various e-commerce platforms and social media channels. Want to create the perfect Amazon listing image? Just click the Amazon preset. Need a square format for Instagram? One click and your canvas automatically adjusts to the right dimensions. Let's check out our results. Wow, look at the difference. Our tightly cropped handbag photo now has plenty of space around it, making it perfect for marketplace listings that require specific dimensions. Notice how the AI has extended the background seamlessly. You can't even tell where the original image ended and the extension began. The best part is how flexible this system is. You can fine-tune the canvas size by dragging the edges to get exactly the composition you want, or quickly switch between different platform presets to create multiple versions of your product image. Each time, the AI ensures perfect, seamless background extension. Here's a pro tip. Use Image Extender to create consistent aspect ratios across your entire product catalog. Instead of cropping your products differently for each platform, extend the backgrounds to maintain the same product size and positioning across all your marketing channels. Image Extender is also perfect for creating space for text overlays in your marketing materials. You can extend one side of your canvas to create room for promotional text, pricing information, or your brand logo without covering the product itself. If you're looking to save time on photo editing and ensure your products always look their best regardless of the platform requirements, SellerPic's Image Extender is an absolute game changer. It delivers professional results in seconds, with no technical skills required. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.